Mount Allen on a trip to Captiva. It's my little baby sister. This is my sister, and she is taking me down to Captiva to show me around this island. So I thought, well, let's show everybody this island. Across the bridge is it Captiva? Oh, it's Sanibel, right. And then we have to drive up to Captiva. So we are passing some of the hurricane damage from, what was the name of the hurricane, Linda?
Ian.
Hurricane Ian.
September.
Just this past September, and this is January.
And now this road is the main road through Captiva. And it used to be almost, the tree canopy almost touched. And then it used to open up and you'd be at the beach. See a lot of blue tarps. We stayed there several times.
In this place here?
Yeah, right here that got really devastated. And then last July we stayed right here.
Oh.
And this hedge used to be so high. That hedge was like 3 stories high and it died.
Wow.
We were like always looking at the hedge saying, what a beautiful hedge that is.
Yeah.
And that's the bubble room.
Oh, yes. This is where the bubble room originated, right?
Yes. Marina Villas.
Yeah. Marina Villas. This is Linda's paradise. All right, we have arrived in the little condo. And we are getting ready to have our sandwiches and a little drink. So this is the living room and the dining room. And then there's a bedroom in there. And then there's a bathroom over here. And then if you come out this way, this is the master. And this is the master bath. Nice closets. So Linda and I are sitting out on the porch having our glass of wine.
Cheers.
Linda likes red and I like white. There's my white. And even while we're out here, you can see over my shoulder the pass. Yeah, look who's visiting. We have some dolphin action right here. Yeah, it's a little pod.
Yeah, it's a big pond.
Yeah. Check it out. There must be some fish out there. Let's see. Look what we found as we're walking along here. How big is that? Okay, so here's the beach.
Look at that manatee.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around. We have a jellyfish fighting.
It looks like a melting ice cube.
Yeah. Oops.
There it is.
There it is. Yep. Ooh, look at that one. Oh no, it's got a chip. We're looking for the perfect shell to bring back because it's been a long haul waiting to get to the beach. Little crab. Not alive anymore. January 2023. New beginnings. So we're eating at the Tween Waters Inn, and this was apparently a favorite of Ding Darling's. So,
Cheers.
cheers. We don't have our wine yet, but we're having bread and oil. So, and tell me, what is the name of this place?
What is it Old Captiva House?
Okay, Old Captiva House. And apparently it used to be a schoolhouse.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I was reading.
Right.
Yeah.
I read that.
And oh, here comes the wine. Yay. Okay, we got the blackened snapper. Yes, the blackened. Linda says we got the blackened snout. I don't think that's what it's called, but no, the blackened snapper. And the corn polenta is like crazy good. Oh my gosh.
Better than mashed potatoes.
But being sisters, we ordered the exact same thing. The only thing that's different is the color of our wine.
Well, white wine goes with it, but I don't
Yeah,
like
see,
white wine.
I'm classy. All right, now we're going to eat.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bon appetit. We got some mullet hunting going on here. I wonder if they're both going after the same fish. Oh, that poor fish. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, I'm looking, there's a manatee in here now.